Shri Kamakshi Stotram. Kamakshi Stotram, composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya, Goddess Kamakshi, is a form of Tripura Sundari or Parvati or the Universal Mother Goddess. The word is derived from the heritage Ka, meaning Goddess Saraswati, who is Goddess of Education, Ma, referring to Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess of Wealth, and Akshi, meaning eye. The main abode of Ma Kamakshi is the Kamakshi Amman temple at Kanjipuram. Goddess Kamakshi is considered to be the representation of Sri Vidya, Sri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari. She reigns supreme in Kanchi. The goddess holds a sugarcane bow on her left upper arm, representing the mind of human being, and lotus parrot in her upper right arm, symbols of love. The goddess also has divine chakra called Pasha, weapon that binds obstacles and ignorance, and Ankusha, weapon that steers control and direction in her arms. Devi Kamakshi Stotra should be read for happiness and prosperity in life. Kalpanokah pushpajala vilasan neelalakam matrukam Kantam kanjadalekshanam kalimala pradhvamsinim kalikam Kanchirupuraharadama subhagam Kanchipurinaikam Kamakshim karikumbha sannibhakucham Vande Mahesha Priyam. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, who is like the flowers of the wish-fulfilling tree Kalpataru, shining brightly with dark locks of hair and seated as the Great Mother, who is beautiful with eyes like the lotus petals and at the same time terrible in the form of Devi Kalika, the destroyer of sins of Kali Yuga, who is beautifully adorned with girdles, anklets, garlands and wreath and brings good fortune to all as the goddess of Kanchipuri, whose bosom is beautiful like the forehead of an elephant and is filled with compassion. We extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Kashabham Shukabhasuram Pravilasat Koshataki Sannibham Chandrarkanalalocanam Suruchihi Alankara Bhushojvalam Brahmashri Pativasavadi Munibhihi Samsevitangridvayam Kamakshim Gajaraja Mandagamanam Vande Mahesha Priyam. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, who has a green parrot which shines like the color of the kasha grass, she herself shining brightly like a moonlit night, whose three eyes are the sun, moon and the fire, and who, adorned with radiant ornaments, is blazing luminous, whose holy pair of feet is served by Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Indra, other devas, as well as the great sages, whose movement is gentle like the king of elephants. We extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Aim Klim Sauritiyam Vadanti Munayah Tatvartha Rupam Param Vachamadimakkaranam Hridi Sada Dhyayantiyam Yoginah Balam Phala Vilochanam Navajapavarnam Sushumna Shritam Kamakshim Kalitavatams Subhagam Vande Mahesha Priyam. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, whose transcendental absolute form is expressed by the great sages with the Bija mantras Aim, Klim, Sauhu, who is the primordial cause of the speech itself and who is meditated upon by the yogis in the cave of their hearts, who is worshipped in the form of Bala Tripura Sundari, form of a small girl, who is having an eye on her forehead and having the color of fresh hibiscus flower, she dwells in the Sushumna, who is adorned with garlands and brings good fortune to all. We extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Yad padambujarenuleshammanisham labdhva vidhatte vidhirvishvam tat paripati vishnurakilam yasyav prasadachiram rudrasam harati kshanat tadakhilam yanmayaya mohitah kamakshimati chitracharucharitam Vande Mahesha Priyam. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi. By always taking the dust of whose lotus feet Sri Brahma creates the world, by whose perennial grace Sri Vishnu protects the entire world, and Rudra destroys in a moment that whole creation which is deluded by the power of Maya, whose deeds are diverse and lovely, we extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Sukshmat sukshmataram sulakshitatanum kshantaksharair lakshitam vikshashikshitarakshasam tribhuvana kshemankarim sakshallakshanakshitaksharamayim Dakshayarnim Sakshinim Kamakshim Shubhalakshanais Sulalitam Vande Mahesha Priyam. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, whose essence is subtler than the subtlest, and whose form is well marked with auspiciousness and imperishable patience, the knowledge of whose essence refines the Rakshasas and gives undecaying rest within the three worlds, whose imperishable essence can be directly experienced in meditation, who is Dakshayani, daughter of Daksha, and the underlying witness of everything, who is marked with auspicious attributes and is ever playful. We extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Omkaranganadipikam Upanishad Prasad Paravatim Amnayam Buddhichandrikam Adhatamah Pradhvamsaham Saprabham Kanchi Pattana Panjarantarashukim Karunyakallolinim Kamakshim Shivakamaraja-mahishim Vande Mahesha Priyam. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, who is like a lamp of Omkara in the courtyard of the palace of the Upanishads situated on the mountains, alluding to Devi Parvati incarnating on the mountains in the palace of Himavan, who is the illumination behind the four sacred texts, the four Vedas, destroying even the most evil sins and revealing the light of the Hamsa, the universal soul within, who is like a parrot caged within the city of Kanchi, from whom is surging out the waves of compassion, who is the queen of Shri Shiva, that Shiva who is the master of Kama, desire. We extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. ह्रीङ्कारात्मकवर्णमात्रपठनात् ऐन्द्रीं श्रियं तन्वतीं चिन्मात्रां भुवनेश्वरीमनुदिनं भिक्षाप्रदानक्षमां विश्वाघौगनिवारिणीं विमलिनीं विश्वम्भरां मातृकाम् कामाक्षीं परिपूर्णचन्द्रवदनां वन्दे महेशप्रियाम्. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, whose nature is expressed by the syllable Hrim, by reciting which the powers of Aindri and Shri spreads forth, who, as Devi Bhuvaneshwari, the embodiment of pure consciousness, is always showering boons and forgiving sins, who, as the all bearing mother of the world, stain free, pure, keeps off the sins of the world from the hearts of the devotees, whose face shines like the full moon, we extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. वाग्देवीति च यां वदन्ति मुनयः क्षीराब्धिकन्येति च क्षोणीभृततनयेति च श्रुतिगिरो यामामनन्ति स्फुटम् एकानेकफलप्रदां बहुविधा आकारास्तनुस्तन्वतीम् कामाक्षीं सकलार्तिभञ्जनपरां वन्दे महेशप्रियाम्. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, who is called as Goddess of Speech, Devi Saraswati, and the daughter of Milky Ocean, Devi Lakshmi, and the earth-born daughter, Devi Sita, and who is the voice behind the Shrutis, Upanishads, manifesting out of her own will, who is one bestowing many fruits and manifesting in various forms, who is the destroyer of all sufferings and transcendental in essence. We extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Mayam adim karanam trijagatam aradhitang hridmayam anandamritavari nilayam विद्यां विपश्चिद्धियां मायामानुषरूपिणीं मनिलसन्मध्यां महामातृकां कामाक्षीं करिराजमन्दगमनां वन्दे महेशप्रियाम्. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, who is the primordial cause of Maya and whose pair of feet is worshipped in all the three worlds, who is the abode of the nectar of bliss within, the supreme knowledge of pure consciousness on whom the learned meditates, who is the great mother appearing as human being by her power of Maya, though always shining as pure consciousness like the radiance within a gem, whose movement is gentle like the king of elephants, we extol Devi Kamakshi, the beloved of Sri Mahesha. Kanta kamadudha karindra gamana kamarivamankaga kalyani kalitavatara subhaga kasturika charchita कम्पातीररसालमूलनिलया कारुण्यकल्लोलिनी कल्याणानि करोतु मे भगवती काञ्चीपुरी देवता. Salutations to Devi Kamakshi, who is the beloved of her devotees and, like the milch cow, fulfills their wishes, whose movement is like the king of elephants and who share the left half of the body of Sri Shiva, who is the bestower of auspiciousness, incarnated in a divine auspicious body smeared with the perfume of Kasturi, who, abiding in the banks of Kampa river under a mango tree, Amra, surges forth her compassion. Devi Parvati meditated on Sri Shiva on the banks of Kampa river and Kajipuram. Please make my life happy and prosperous, O divine goddess of Kanchipuram. Iti Srimad Adi Shankaracharya Virachitam Shri Kamakshi Stotram Sampurnam.